glass doors offer so many advantages, flooding interiors with natural light, creating a sense of openness, and adding a sleek modern aesthetic. So why do 90% of them still rely on noisy, outdated blinds? Or worse, have no privacy options at all? Enter smart glass doors, the ultimate upgrade. At the tap of a button, you can switch from clear and open to completely private. Keep your space clean and modern without clunky blinds or curtains. Enjoy an open concept feel when you want it, and instant privacy when you need it. Let natural light flow through, making any room appear bigger and brighter. Switchable glass brings control and convenience right to your fingertips. Picture transforming any space in seconds. Open concept, living or working whenever you want, and complete privacy whenever you need it. And here's the best part. Any existing glass door can become a smart glass door. Already have one installed? Just apply our smart film to upgrade instantly, maintaining the best of both worlds. From hotels and offices to homes of all shapes and sizes, the smartest spaces are turning to smart glass country for their glass doors. Why? Because we offer the best switchable glass solutions on the market, plus expert guidance on discreetly hiding wiring for every door type. Sliding, swinging, bifold, and even retractable glass walls. Ready to make your space smarter? Visit our website to learn more and let us help you transform your doors. No blinds required.